bird keeps flying into my window. I think it's like the movie The Birds. There he goes again. I don't know what's going on. I'm freaking out a little bit. I'll show you why in a sec. Here he comes again. What are you gonna do? This Robin. He's been camping out on my grill a lot. I see all the poop. Oops, that's my finger. So I got window tint on this window. He doesn't really see me filming, but if I move one window over, he flies away because he sees me. Oh, he's going away. All right, well, let me show you why. Oh, let's see if he does it one more time. Oh, he's ironing up. Well, he might hit this other window. Let's see. Because he does hit the other one sometimes. Oh, I know what it is. I think he's flying into this window because it's mirrored on the outside, but it's just tinting on the inside. Nope. He just hit over there. That's not mirrored. He's just dumb. Just a dumb bird. It's been all day. You've been doing this all day. There, oh, there he goes again. You're stupid. Okay, let me show you what happened. Why I think there's something wrong. Because although there's a lot of glass in my house, this guy didn't make it. Hit that window. Dead bird. Anyone ever see the movie Alfred Hitchcock, The Birds? We'll freaked out. Classic Alfred Hitchcock, a must watch. I just want to see what happens.
He's doing it. He keeps flying like up to the window and back around. What? I don't. This behavior makes no sense.
It's been all day.
That's so strange.
And then I went out front for something else and I saw the dead bird.
It was a pretty bird too.
That one or the one up front?
The one that died.
I don't know.
So bizarre.
Can robins get like rabies? Do we have a rabid robin?
Yeah, why don't you investigate that?
Let me Google it.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Damn thing's just hanging out too.
Could be dangerous.
He's trying to piss me off. I can see that poop glistening in the sun. He's been at it a long time. That's fresh poop.